Hey everybody, Quilting here. Just real quick video. Gift Basket Appeal has a dog. His name is, what's his name? Cinnamon. They call him Goobie. So in her quilt room, she has these cubby holes that he lays in, and there's nothing there. He just lays on the hard wood of the cubby hole. So I figured I'd put something together real quick for Goobie. And this is a reason why I tell you don't get rid of. Another reason why I say don't get rid of your scraps or your extras. These are these are blocks that I had left over from the daisy cutter quilt that I made, and I figured I'd put them together, sew them together, and it'd be a nice little pad for the dog inside his little cubby hole. I cut a couple pieces of batting, put them on here. I had two of these. I'm just gonna put them together there and just gonna stitch them together. All right. You guys know the rest. You know how we do this thing. So I'm gonna stitch these together. I'm gonna stitch in the ditch, and then I'll put a nice little whatever crazy little bind on the outside of it. Give it to Trace, and she has a nice little dog pad to stick inside the cubby hole for Goobie. All right. So that's what we'll do. All right. So we got Goobie's little pad here, made out of parts from leftover pieces of my daisy cutter. And just so you know, all right, just a little bit of information. There's 5 layers here, all right? Well, actually, if you want to really be honest, it's like 7. Okay, I have this layer which has um, um the medium that I put on there, and then I have multiple layers of batting, and then the repeat on the other end. Okay, all right, and you know it's a brother, the PQ 1500 SL, doing what it's designed to do. All right. Bobbins, yes, 5 out of 5. I got it on my heavy duty walking foot that comes with the machine when you buy it. And the walking foot weighs about 900 pounds, which tells me that it's made very well. And I'm just going to stitch in the ditch here because remember, this is for a dog, okay? The day the dog gives me an evaluation on what I designed for him is the day I stop quilting, okay? All right. So I'm just going to stitch in the ditch here just to close it up. I have a bunch of extra stuff in there. I'll end up finding what kind of I'll end up finding what type of bind I'm gonna do on it later. But I'm just gonna stitch it real quick for the dog so he has something to lay on. All right. Otherwise, it just would have just sat in my extras bucket for forever. We're just squaring this thing off a little bit, okay? So I got my 60mm rotary cutter out. All right, because it's thick. So 45 is not going to be between the distance of the edge of the ruler and the pin and the rotary cutter. It wouldn't be thick enough or wide enough. So I'm just cutting this off, squaring it off. All right. Then I'll search my extras box and look for, you know, maybe a strip of bind that I might have used on a project on one of my builds. And then we'll bind it, and Goobsters or Cinnamon will have a nice little pad you can put inside the cubby hole for him. Okay, real quick, no, quick and painless. That's it. All right. And that's what we do for dogs. That's how much we love dogs in our household. Okay, so this is the final product for Goobie. All right, so this is made out of all scraps and leftover pieces from other projects, and it's for a cubby hole for the dog to lay on while he's in the cubby hole, so he's not laying on just wood. All right, we're dog lovers, so I figure, hey, I got it laying around, why not make him one? And it'll be my little contribution to a small dog. Okay, that's it. Easy, quick, in and out. All right, and also helps you refine your skills and keeps you quilting, which is a good thing. Thanks for picking the video. Remember, it's only fabric and it's only thread.